Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Be Unique. Today we're going to see a super exclusive launcher. It's a Nokia launcher which will turn your mobile phone into Nokia. So it will be look like this. Actually, if you are just using the old Nokia mobile, how it's look like, the same feel will be given by this. It's a super and it's an old memory too. So I have an old memory with this Nokia mobile phone. So it's a super launcher, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So download the Nokia 1280 launcher from the Play Store, which have the old memory of Nokia launcher. So this is actually a launcher. You can see in my hands you have a big Nokia launcher. It's look like that, but it's a Android launcher. So you can have this key tone, and also you have delete option, save option, the same as like the buttons will be work, every buttons will be work how it will be look like a Nokia mobile phone. You have a customization option on the menu. You have a message and brightness adjustment, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and internet, everything. And click on the customize the launcher. So here you can just set the keypad tone or keypad vibration if you just need it, and phone name, phone theme, whatever. You just click on this go to option. Here you can find internet camera. If you just click on the camera will be record. It will be look like the old memories of camera, which have two options like switch, flash, delete option. In menu you can find all the application, and you can just use this also here. You can it will be look like the menu. You can just slide it. You can just click on the setting option. So that it's a simple launcher with having our old Nokia memories. You have to see the UI. It shows the Nokia and the SIM card name, and also then bottom you have a number section and it will be look like a bigger Nokia mobile. If you just set the launcher on your mobile phone, it will be look like we have a bigger Nokia mobile. That it seems like. So this is a super amazing launcher. So if you just needed this launcher, you can just download it from the Play Store, and you can just install it, and you can just show to your friends look like a big Nokia launcher, big Nokia mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.